Managing endpoints in a hybrid work environment is one of IT's most challenging tasks. Ensuring compliance, security, and productivity is essential. Microsoft Intune is a game changer in modern device management, empowering IT professionals with advanced features. Hybrid AD-joined devices present unique challenges, such as diverse compliance needs and balancing user privileges. Non-compliance can lead to data breaches and regulatory penalties, making secure device management crucial. Microsoft Intune introduces powerful tools like remote help to tackle endpoint management challenges. Remote help allows real-time troubleshooting to assist remote users with compliance and configuration issues. Endpoint Privilege Management, EPM, reduces security risks by limiting admin access and tracks privileged actions. Deploy the Remote Help app and train your IT team to resolve issues efficiently, enhancing security. Access the Analytics dashboard in Intune to identify and dynamically update policies for compliance issues. Automate workflows with Azure Logic apps to notify users of non-compliance and enhance organizational security. Organizations using Intune report faster compliance resolutions and fewer security incidents, driving IT efficiency. Pilot new policies, communicate with users, and integrate conditional access for a holistic compliance strategy. Mastering Microsoft Intune transforms endpoint management into a proactive strategy, ensuring organizational success. Are you ready to revolutionize your approach to endpoint management? Let's connect and collaborate.